Hi dear students, hope you are fine. Welcome to our maths class. The previous class we learned about numbers, large numbers, smallest numbers, these numbers total and difference. Now we are going to discuss make numbers. How can make largest number? How can make smallest number? Sum and different to these numbers. We discuss how can make largest number, how can make smallest number, sum and different to these numbers. These are some cards. Read this number. Read this number 6. Yeah, 6. Next number, read 5. Okay. Next, 0. Very good. 0. Next number, 8. Next number, read 4. Next number, last number, 7. These some numbers. What is the largest number? How can make these numbers? What is the largest number? How can make these numbers? How can make these numbers? How can make largest number? Let's we try. To get the largest number, the first digit should be the largest number. The first digit should be the largest and the second digit is the largest number and third digit should be the largest of the remaining in this order and the last digit will be the smallest. How can write this number? I can make the largest number. The first digit should be the first digit should be the largest and second digit should be the largest and third digit should be the largest of the remaining in this order and last digit should be the smallest. Let's we try. Okay. The first digit should be the largest. Yes. First digit 8. Okay. Next, largest number, yeah, 7. Next, 6. Next number, 5. Next, 4. And the largest and the last number should be get in small digits 0. Then we get the largest number. How can read this number? How can read? Yes, Fatima, read this number. 8,76,540. We make this largest number. We make largest number 8,76,540. Got it? Any doubt? Next, the largest number is how can make smallest number? How can make smallest number? How can make? Let's we try. How can make the smallest number? Are you ready? Okay. To get the smallest number, the first digit should be smallest. Okay. The first digit should be smallest. Okay. But if 0 is small digit, should not be taken as first digit. Instead used to second digit. Okay. We make the smallest number, the first digit should be the smallest number. But 0, 0 is the smallest number. Should not make the first digit. Instead, it use second digit. And third digit should be smallest in this, remaining in this order. And the last digit, the largest digit or largest number. Yes, right? You find the smallest number 4. Okay, next number 0. Very good. 0, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Yes, we find the smallest number. First we find the largest number and second we find the smallest number. Okay, do you understood? Any doubt? No. Next, the sum of these number. How can find the sum of these number? What is sum of total? How can find the total? How can find? Yeah. Largest number plus smallest number to get the sum of this number. First, largest number, sum of these number, sum of these number, sum of these number, largest number plus smallest number. Largest number 6, 5, 4 plus sum of the number 6, 5, 4, 5, 0, 4. Yes, again find the sum of the number and add these number. Add the two number, largest number plus smallest number. Yes, add 8 plus 0. Yeah, 8 plus 0. 8. 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4. 11. Very good. 11. And 1 balance. And 6 plus 5. 11. 11 plus 1. 12. Okay. 5 plus 6. 11 plus 1. 12. And the balance 1. 7 plus 1. 8. 7 plus 1. 8. And next 4 plus 8. Or 8 plus 4. 12. Yeah. Then we get the sum of these number. First, how can make the number? First, the number make largest number. Second step, smallest number. And third step, the sum of these number, largest number plus smallest number. Then we get sum of the number. Do you understood? How can read this number? How can read this number? 12,82,218. 218. The sum of the two numbers. Okay. Unless difference of these number. How can difference of this number? How can difference? How can difference of this number? Largest number minus smallest number. Then we get the answer difference. Okay. Difference of this number. How can find the difference? How can find the difference? Largest number minus smallest number. Largest number minus smallest number. Then we get the difference of this number. Yes, the difference of this number. 10 minus 8, 2. 13 minus 7, 6. 14 minus 6, 8. 5 minus 5, 0, 7 minus 0, 7, 8 minus 4 is 4. Then we get the smallest number, then we get the difference of this number. Smallest number and the difference of this number. Let's make numbers. Activity number 2. Activity number 2. 6, 8, 9, 4. These are some cards. These are some cards. These are some cards. Okay. Question number 1. What is the largest number? What is the largest number? Okay. Second question. And the least. And the least. Least means smallest number. And the least. And the least. Question number 3. Find out the sum and difference of these numbers. Okay. The second activity, 3, 0, 6, 8, 9, 4. These are some cards. Question, what is the largest number? Make the largest number. And we make the least. And the least means the smallest number. Find out the sum and difference of these numbers. Write down. Do the activities. Are you finished? Any doubt? What is the largest number? To make the largest number, how can make the largest number? And the least the smallest number. And how can find the sum and difference of these numbers? Okay, any doubt? Are you finished? Okay, yeah. May I clean the board? Next activity, activity 3. Activity 3 name budget. Budget. Next activity name budget. A Grama Panchayat, some money allotted the various sectors. A Grama Panchayat, some money allotted for various sectors, sector. The education, health, road development, drinking. I will show the chart. Listen here. All of you listen. Budget. The budget of a panchayat, money allotted for various sectors as shown in this table. Various sectors in this table, sectors in this part and the amount, allotted amount in this part. And the various sectors are health, education, road development, drinking water for various sectors. And allotted money, health, allotted money 12,55,000. 12,55,000 allotted the health department and education department or education sector 7,89,000. And next road development 20,60,000 and drinking water allotted money 4,90,000. Sectors health, education, road development, drinking water. Allotted money health sectors or health department 12,55,000 and education department or education sector 7,89,000. Road development 20,60,000 and drinking water 4,90,000. Okay, got it? The various sectors, the four sector, Panchayat allotted some money and health, education, road, drinking water. Which sector is allotted the largest amount? Identify which sector is allotted the largest amount. Say the answer. Yeah, very good. Road development 20,60,000, the largest amount. Yes, and the least amount drinking water. Okay, how much more is allotted to road development than education? How much more to find how much more? Road development allotted money minus education allotted money. Again find much more. Road development allotted money minus education allotted money, then we get much more than. Okay, it's more than. And next, what is the total of allotment? What is the total allotment? How can find the total allotment? The various sectors are add this number, add this money, then we find the total allotment. Then we get the total allotment. Or these allotted monies are added and then we get the total allotment money. Do you understood? Next activity. For the next year, Grama Panchayat allotted 4 lakh, the various sector, 4 lakh. Education department 1 lakh and education health department 1 lakh, education department 1 lakh, road development 1 lakh and drinking water 1 lakh. And total lakh is 4. It is increased the next year. Dear students, draw the table, increased money. Draw the table and make more questions based on the table and present in the class. Okay, draw the table. This department is already the department is health, education, road development and drinking. And allotted monies are increased. Each departments are increased 1 lakh. Total lakh is 4 lakh. And draw the table and make more questions based on the table and present in the class. Do you understood? Yeah. I hope you all understand today's class. All students read and study and do the works. Thank you.